Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use your channels option on your Bitrix24, how you can create a new channel, how you can delete, and you can manage all channels on the Bitrix24. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, we have to open our account, and after opening the account, you will get the channels option here. So we have to click on the channels, and after clicking on channels, as you can see, has the pillars icon. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you will get the confirm option here. So we have to click on the continue. Let's click on the continue. And now we need to provide the channel name here. For example, I'm going to provide the design name. Let's write the design name. And then simply we have to provide the description here. And after description, as you can see, we have to provide the privacy, public or the private. And after that, you can add the team members as well. And then simply you have to click on the create channel. And after clicking on the create channel, your channel will be created. So in this way, you can create your channel. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can manage your channel, how you can create your channel on Bitrix. So see you guys in the next video.